Hi guys, nice to see you again in Interior Design with Ray, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. It's been a while since I last uploaded a new video. Contracted COVID about 2 months ago and having a persistent cough also doesn't help. So today I'm commencing a resale 4-room flat in Punggol and I'll show you what have been proposed to my clients and which walls will be torn down today. So let's go through it. Okay guys, so this unit is actually a corridor unit, but then there's no window here. So let's go into the unit itself. Okay, so once enter, there's actually a storeroom here, the bomb shelter. So all this will be torn down. Okay, so there's this wall here, and then there's a door entrance to the common bedroom. So this common bedroom is actually separated from the other 2 bedrooms. Right, so it's quite a distance away. So this wall will be torn down today. Okay, the existing false ceiling, the cabinetry to hide the storeroom, okay, all will be removed today. Okay, so this is the living and dining. So you can see that the living is here, right, dining will be somewhere there. Okay, so from the dining up, right, will be the 2 bedrooms. Okay, so these 2 bedrooms will be combined into 1 master bedroom. Okay, this wall will be removed, right, the entire wall. Okay, so you can see the big 2 bedroom combined space. Okay, so that area is going to be the walk-in wardrobe area, and then here will be the sleeping area. Right, at the far left, on the other side, will be a study room. So as you can see here, the kitchen is very old, very well used. Okay, so all this will be, the entire kitchen cabinet will be torn down, right, including the base. Okay, the existing floor will be kept because I'm going to overlay this cement compound. Okay, so the cement compound is actually for the entire unit itself, okay, including overlaying onto the timber flooring. Okay, so one thing to take note is if you are overlaying your existing bathroom, please note that check, right, you have to check the wall tiles, have they been overlaid. Okay, so for this bathroom, the wall have not been overlaid. You can see there's only a certain thickness here. It's not too thick here. But if you look at the floor, right, from the floor itself, you can't tell whether it's been overlaid or not, right? So importantly is look at the floor trap. Right, can you see there's a certain thickness here? Right, this is a tile thickness. This bathroom floor definitely has been overlaid, right? So you can't overlay onto an overlaid layer. Okay, so what I need to do is to ask my hacker to actually remove the top layer tiles, okay, and then keep the existing original floor tiles. Okay guys, let's take a look at the progress after the walls have been demolished. Okay, so this part here, right, used to be the wall to the common bedroom, so it has been demolished. Unfortunately, there's a huge beam at the top. Okay, so this part here, you can't do anything much. Right, so this part here, I'm going to do some false ceiling just to cover up the beam. Okay, there'll be the shoe storage here to conceal the bomb shelter, and then there's a door here, okay, towards the common bedroom. Okay, so all this hack area will be plastered smooth. Okay, edges and of course the floor. Okay, the floor will be all level up. Okay, so eventually there's this cement compound that we're going to lay over. Okay, so this is the entrance. Right, it used to be a passageway to the common bedroom and the master bedroom there, but I've hacked away all the wall in between just to enlarge this master bedroom. Right, basically here will be a walk-in wardrobe. Okay, and then there will be the sleeping area. So if you walk this way, right, over here will be the study, right, study area. Right, so here entire space will be for the walk-in wardrobe. Okay, so previously I mentioned that the floor tiles has already been overlaid once. Okay, so you can't overlay on overlay. Okay, so I've instructed my guy to remove the overlaid layer on top. Right, and so we're going to do a new waterproofing first before we overlay onto a new layer of floor tiles. Right, the wall is still okay. Right, the walls you don't need any waterproofing except for the bottom part, but walls are perfectly fine, so we can just overlay. Okay, so let's take a look at the kitchen. It's a bit dark here, but anyway, if you see the dark walls, okay, it's going to be plastered smooth. Okay, all this, right, the existing wall tiles are all still intact, but we're going to plaster smooth. Right, this part here behind the fridge, right, behind the fridge especially here. Okay, you can see here, right, this part here is actually the overlay of the backsplash big format wall tiles. Right, it's here. Right, so the kitchen will be just L. Right, washing machine at this corner. So this is the common bathroom. So as you can see, right, it's the same ivory tile for the walls and later for the floor as well. Right, there's a shower area, right, shower drop down. Okay, so you can see here there's WC there. Okay, so the WC is going to be like that. Let's make sure that the space from your shower, if you have a shower screen, to the WC has got enough leg room. Okay, if not, then it's going to be very squeezy. Okay, so let's take a look at the master bathroom. Okay, the walls are going to be overlaid. The floor, right, I've done an extra layer of waterproofing just to be safe. I've chosen beige tiles for overall, means the wall and the floor same color and same tiles as well. Right, so it reflects the overall color theme of the whole design. Okay, so if you have a shower screen, okay, that is here, just make sure that the curb or the drop, right, has to exit this wall here, right, at least by 40 to 50 mm, so that you have space for the door hinge, right, the shower screen glass door hinge, right, you need some space. Okay, so then the door will be on the curb rather than on the shower floor.